Today I'll be showing us how to make bulk videos or reels with Canva, Chatgpt, and Google Sheets. Let's get into it. This is Skill Sync Summit 2.0 video editing, and I'm really excited to take us through this journey. All right. This is me checking to make sure that everything is okay. You can hear me and we are good. So like I said, today we'll be making bulk reels, bulk videos using ChatGPT, Canva Pro, and Google Sheets in 3 easy steps, all right? Very easy steps. We are going to be generating our content, number one. Secondly, we're going to convert it to CSV file using Google Sheets. And then the third thing we're going to do is to use edit it on Canva. That's basically what we'll be doing today. All right. Now let's get into it. The first thing I want us to do is to go and get our content. All right. First thing you need to understand is you need to know what exactly you want to make reels on. Are you making reels for your business? Are you making reels to talk about your life? Like, want to just share an experience with us? Or what exactly what kind of reel are you looking at precisely? So that's the first thing you need to identify. For me today, I'll be making reel on this content that you see right on my screen. Let me see the prompt I use, because I've made this video. I've gone live before, but network was terrible, so I had to make this video again, because that other video I made, I couldn't see anything. It was like a waste of my time. So, but that's why we are doing this all over again, and that's why there's a delay in pushing the content, pushing the videos out to the group chat and anywhere you may be getting information regarding Skill Sync Summit. All right. So the prompt I had here was let me see, let me check. I think I asked it to respond like a professional video editor. Tell me 20 ways in which editing my videos professionally can convey my message to my audience and keep them hooked to my content. All right. So this is what it is. This content, and then it numbered it. But then I asked it to give me the content without numbering it. And after streamlining the content, got here. Why I want the content like this is because if we don't make it in this form, if it is numbered, it's going to make our editing stressful, because we need to start editing all the numbers out when we are using it on Canva. So that's why I need the content like this. All right. So all you need to do is just go over and think about what content, what content are you making reels on. All right. When you get that sorted out, you get your content, you copy. All right. You can just copy it and save it somewhere. But for me, I'm using ChatGPT. You can use this too, very easy. So I'll just copy it over here, and then I'll head over to Google Sheets. Now we are done with step one, which is what generating content, right? I've generated content. The next thing we need to do right now is to come to Google Sheets to convert it to CSV file. All right. Now this is Google Sheets. I'll come over here, and since I've copied it, I'll just Control V, paste, and we have it here. Clean work. Next, we need to go is to go and title this so that we can be able to get it easily. So what should I call it? I can just call it hooks. All right. I call it hooks. So I can just go over to download my file. Go to file, go to download. Please don't forget to save it in a CSV format. If you don't save it in CSV format, you'll not be able to use it in Canva. Now we have that saved, done. You can see it here is saved with step 2. The next thing we need to do is to go over to Canva. Yes, and select template. So we can just go over and search Instagram Reels. Yes, I've done this before. It's already here. Just search for Instagram Reels, right? If you just search Instagram Reels, all of this is going to come out. And then you can just go ahead and click and search for any template that you like. Or you can even try to get a picture of yourself before now, and you can just use that as a background, the background. You can do that. So, and one more thing I would like to point out is that whenever you're making reels, okay, I need you to pick, if I use any template you're using, should match with what you are talking about. Let's say you're talking about fashion. Your template should be something like showing maybe bags or shoes, something like fashion sort of like that. Okay. And if you are talking about food, catering, all of those things, your background, your template should look like it. Okay. Is it that you use something related to what you are talking about, or you just use a neutral background, like something like this. Something like this is neutral. Something like this is neutral. Okay. If you cannot use something related to what you're talking about, then you should use something neutral. Now I'm going over to search for the template I'm going to use. I can decide to use this because it's just like me taking notes. So this is nice. We can use this. But the thing is, just allow your mind to think. I think yesterday when I made that live video, one of the keys to success in video editing, like I said, is being creative. Allow yourself to think. All right. You can just explore. You can use any. You can just allow your mind think. Don't be afraid to try and try again. If you try one thing, it did not work. It's not that that's the end of the world. Just find another way to get it done. All right. So I think I like this template that I just saw here. I wanted to go and search for something else, but I think I like this. So let me just open it and use it. All right, this looks nice. So let's see. Yes, this is beautiful. I can actually use this to show you what I want to show you. This is beautiful. What I want to say, right? If you select a template and it comes out like this, all you need to do is when you click here to customize it, you need to delete these other ones because you'll be needing just one. All right. You've been needing just one. So whenever you open it, when you open it in Canva, when you open to customize, please make sure you delete the other ones and just work with just one. If you decide to work with all of them, it's going to be so much of editing, and you don't want that because we want to make life, we want to make things easy for ourselves. That's why we're doing bulk reels. So don't go and pick template that's going to make it work more difficult. Okay. Now I changed my mind about that template. It's looking techie. I see somebody is pressing laptop. I do not like that. I want something that should have a camera. Something camera like if we don't see something that's going to have a camera, we can just maybe use something neutral. If you're finding it difficult to find a template suitable for you, you can go over and change your prompt, what you send in. You can just say Instagram. Let me say Instagram video editing reels. Let me just check this. These things are not static. It's not definite. Okay, it's not that it is a particular thing you can type in. We're just trying things out, to get what we want. So I want something that has like a camera, like somebody holding a camera or something. That's what I'm looking for. You can see what I'm showing. This is like beauty. You can pick this if you are doing something, if you're making reels on beauty, on all of those things. Okay. All right, this is taking time. I am trying to make this video as short as possible, and I am not seeing somebody holding a camera. Um, okay. Let me go over and search again. Let me go and type. Let me see this. I can get somebody holding a camera here. Nobody's holding camera. Oh. Let me just change my prompt one more time. But can we use this? This is neutral. This is neutral. We can use this, but let me just go and check one more time if we can just see somebody holding a camera. I want a template where somebody is holding a camera or something. This looks nice. This is people taking shots, but I need somebody holding a camera so that I can just easily show you that okay, this is video editing. Oh, you understand my point? That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for somebody holding a camera. All right, you know what? Let me just go and change this prompt again. Let me say um, Instagram reel, Instagram video editing reel. Let me see. Let me just add template. Let me see what it gives me. Let me see what it gives. Or let me just go and put um camera here. Instagram reel camera or camera, anyone to call it, right? Camera template. Like I said, I'm just trying to put in a word that will make them to give me something camera, something like camera. Okay. Okay, look at what they're giving me. Oh, this is camera, right? This is camera. This is camera. Let me say Instagram reeled man holding camera. This is crazy, right? We're just trying to get the perfect template. Perfect. Oh, is there anything like the perfect template? I mean, it's a template, something that you should use, right? So I'm not sure we could. Oh, what I mean is we can actually get something close to what we want. This is perfect. Finally, perfect. You see, you need to keep trying and trying until you get what you want. This is beautiful. I like this template I saw over here. Let me go down and see if I'll see a better one. Or let me just click on it first and see. Perfect. I like this man holding a camera. Do you see this? Exactly. This is video editing. And then I have somebody in the background working with the camera. Is it not beautiful? Is it not exactly what we want? So now let's go ahead and customize this, okay? Like I was telling you before now, if you pick a template like this that has other clips, all you need to do is to go over here, these three dots, if just delete the one you don't want. Because if you don't delete them, it's going to scatter your work. You understand? It spoil your work. And or you can actually use it, but it's going to be too much. You will do so much editing, it can even make you angry, you start crying. So let's just do it like this, right? So now we're going with this particular template. Are we good? Let me see if there's music in the background. Oh, there's music. Oh. There's music in the background, but I do not like this music. So what do I do? Let me see. Let me see. All right. Let's hold on. Instead of all of this, let me. Okay. So let's go ahead and customize this, shall we? Let's go ahead and customize this. Let's go ahead and customize this. So now, what do I want us to do here? Customizing. So now this is the final step. Actually, after this step, we do one other small other polishing. But all of them are under customizing your template. When you customize it to your taste, to your standard, to how you want it, and then you can export. All right. Now, let's go ahead and customize. Look at the fonts. For me, I want to put this in my name. I want to put my name. So that anytime you send out the reels out, anybody that sees it will see your name and be like, okay, so person made this reel. Or you can put the name of your business or the name of your brand. Instead of putting my name, I can actually even put Skill Sync Summit video editing. Okay? I can do that. So in fact, I'll do that. We can just drag and drop this particular this text box, drag and drop it over here. Then you can put whatever text you want. I think I'll put Skill Sync Summit 2.0, 2.0, right? And I'll just go over and change the font color. As you can see, this color is not clear. Can you see this? The color is not clear. As it's black, I cannot say it, but as it's white now, you see that it is better. Let me make it brown and see if it's even going to be fine. The whole idea is to keep trying until you get what you like. All right. So oh, this looks nice. Let me see how it looks in a full video. Let me see. Skill Sync Summit 2.0. Not bad, not bad. This looks good. But let me see what white is going to look like. Let me change the color to white. Okay. Let me change the color to white. Let me see. Change this to white. Let me see how it is in the full video. Yeah, I think I prefer white. I prefer white. So let's go with white. But when you're doing your video, the aim, the goal of all of these things, why I'm even taking my time to do these steps gradually, because I want you to understand that you can be creative. You can let your mind think, okay? You cannot just maybe follow exact steps. There is no exact template for perfection. There's no exact rules that you can use to get a perfect result. Okay. In fact, I don't even think there's a perfect result. You can just get a very good result. You can get an excellent result. Okay. And that is you allowing yourself to be creative. All right. Allow yourself to think. You can decide to put this thing, this particular text, you can put it anywhere, make it any color, change the font. Hmm? Just make your work beautiful, make your work creative, allow your mind to think. All right. And then you'll be amazed at the amazing things, at the mind blowing things that you can do once you allow your mind to, explore your choices, to explore everything you have at your fingertips. All right. I'm trying to make this straight. I don't like the way it's broken, it's divided in hair. I want it straight like this. See, this is all part of customizing your videos, right? Now this is done. I'll go delete this other text because I don't want them. I don't need them. So for the title of our video, we can just call it let's call it hooks, video hooks, right? Or video editing tips. Let's call it video editing tips. Editing tips. Now, as you can see, this font is not even showing. Even me, I'm not even seeing anything. Talk more of you that's on the other end, all right? But that's how we can just go and change the color. We can make this black. It's asking me to change everything. I don't want to change everything. This is just a hair. As it's black, it's beautiful. You see, it's clearer. As it's black, you can see that. You can see that it's better. Now I can make this bold because it's looking too small. I want it to be bold so that it can be, just bold. And I can just Control B. It's not giving me that option. So I can just go over. Since that is not working, go over and type in bold font or thick font. Then I can choose any font that I like. This is good. This is actually very nice. Then I can just go over and increase the size. Did you see that? Now this is cool. I think this is good. Now the next thing we need to put is our text box, where we're going to insert the text we're putting. But before we even get to that point, you can decide to add elements. We'll go over to this place, search for elements. These things come out. If you see I've seen my reels I do for clients, I usually add this. I just like this. It's so beautiful. So you can just pick whatever you like, just drag and drop. Just drag and drop like that. I don't know if I can change the color. Let me see. Is it possible to change the color? Okay, no. I don't think that's possible for now, but that's cool. Now you can see I just add that, and this looks beautiful to me. I can even drag it and drop it here, right? This looks beautiful. I like it over here. Now I can actually go over again and edit this picture, this video, this template rather. I can edit the template, or okay, I can click on edit video over here. Just edit video. Then you can see this, right? You can see different filters. I think I like this one. I think I like the looks of this. Well, let us check other ones. Let us check other filters. Other filters. Let me see this. This one looks nice. No, 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 no. I don't like that. I don't like the look of that. So I'll just go over and pick the first one I picked. Where is it, Seth? Is it this one? This is nice. Let me check this one. So it's too bright. I like this. So I like this. And this is for effect. You can actually go to adjust and adjust anything you like. If you don't, you can just play around with this until you get what you want. But for me, this is cool. I like this. So I'll just go with it, okay? Yes. So now I will now have to get my text box where I'm going to insert the code, and this is it here. Okay, this I'm going to put the quotes that we those things that we made in CSV file. I'm going to add it over here. So what we're going to do right now is to change this font. I do not like the fonts. I'll change the fonts. Let me say balloon bold. Balloon bold. No, no, no. I don't like this. It's not very fine. I don't like. Let me say this one. Mm, this is better. I like this font. Then all I need to do right now is to go and change the color, because this white is not really giving me not really giving me what I want. It's not really like it. It may not be very clear in the video. Let me check brown. Ooh, I think I like this. I think I like this brown. Okay, I like the brown, and so I will go with it. Okay. Now I can actually decide to give this particular text an effect. If I just click on the text, then go to effects. You can go to text effect over here. You can see any effect you like. Let me see this. Let me see how this. Nah, I don't like this. This is not too bad. I don't like it either. No, 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 no. Let me see. Let me see if I can increase anything. I don't like this. All of this. Let me what was about this one. Let me what. This is okay, but it's giving it another color. I don't like this color, so let me change it. Let me change it to black. Video editing tips. I think I like the look of this, so I'll leave it at that. Okay. So you have to make sure that you like everything you have done. If you're okay with editing, if you're okay with everything that you have done, then you can go ahead to export. I mean, you can go ahead to do other editing. All right. I think I like the look of this. Let us view it in the larger screen to see how it comes out. Beautiful. I think I like this. This looks beautiful. This is good enough for me. But when you are doing yours, just make sure to allow your mind, explore other ideas. Just be creative and put anything it is you want. This is you customizing it to your taste. Okay. This is you using video editing to tell the world what you want. So this is actually, you can use this to just tell anybody what you want. So this is you designing what you want. So you can try to make it anyhow it is, anyhow you want it. So the idea is just to be creative and make it as beautiful as you'd like it to be. I like this for me. So the next thing I need to do right now is to go and bring over my files. Those things I had, I'll go and bring it. Those content I changed to CSV file. I will go and get it now. So what you need to do, how you need to get that is to come over to apps, click on apps, and search bulk create. Bulk create. No, this is bulk reels we are doing, right? So you go over and click bulk create, search it. Since I make a lot of reels already, I already have bulk create over here. Can you see? I have bulk create here already. Look at it here. But for you, I have to go through this process to show you. So when you just type bulk create, this comes out, you just click on it, all right? Once you click on it, it's going to give you the option to either upload your files manually or upload a data from the files that you have on your system or whatever device you're using on your system. Yes. So we have the option of either entering data manually or upload. I'm going to click on upload. All right. And then we're going to go and bring over those things, those that stuff we sent to CSV file. I think we titled it hook, right? So we'll go over and get hooks. This is it right here. So that we're going to go over to this place, where the place you want the text to be. You go over and click it. This is where we want the text to be. So we'll claim what is inside already. And then you see, it automatically gives us the opportunity, or it automatically asks us to connect data. And you click on connect data. And then you click this particular first one here, because that's your data. All right. Now you can see that as it came up, this, you see how it is plenty. It's occupying too much space. We do not want it. This is too big. So what are we going to do? We are going to adjust. We'll click it. We adjust. We'll reduce font size. Okay, reduce font size, we'll bring it to exactly how we want it to be. All this bracket that is here, we do not want it. So this is just you basically editing out everything you don't want. Remove it. Anything you don't want, remove it. And after you check if this looks good to you, I like to always bring it on a larger screen and see how it is. Okay, see? Use the light dynamic pacing to maintain audience engagement and adjustment. Okay, now this looks good to me. This looks perfect. Everything is on point. I have my title, I have my content in the middle, I have this customized to say that okay, this is from Skill Sync Summit, and it looks beautiful to me, right? So now I will go over, but what if you notice something? It's too short. The duration of the video is too short, and people may not be able to read the content. So I'm going to go over to adjust that. I'll come to this place and drag it. I usually like to put it around 8, but 7 point. This is fine. Okay, I think it's not letting us go more than this. This is fine. Let's check the length now and see. Perfect. I think this length is okay now. So once you click this, you adjust it, and all of this is okay to you, the next thing you need to do is to go and hit continue over here. When you click on continue, it brings out all those data you have. It brings them out, as you can see all of them here. Now at this point, you have the right to you have the right to deselect in case you don't like any of this content, you want to remove it. At this point, you can easily just deselect, like over here. But for me, I like the content, I like everything that is here. So I'll just go over and click on create 19 designs. Now, this is where it happens. This is the magic. This is the trick. Now, can you see this? 19 solid videos. Supposed to be 20. It should be 20. I think it showed 19 because we already had one on the screen. So now we have 19 videos just like that. If we had said 50, it would be 50 videos now. If we had said 100, it would be 100 videos right now. 200, any number you want. So now as I speak to you, we have 20, yes, 20 videos right now. This is one. Let me show you. This is one. This is two. This is three. Then even go and play it in the larger screen so that we can see. Let's play it and see. Can we see that? Beautiful. Very beautiful. Now we have that scrolling to up to 20 videos, just like that. Just like that. Now at this point, you can decide to go over and download. Because I noticed that whenever you are uploading reels, to either Instagram or Facebook, you have the choice to edit audio. Okay, you can actually edit audio and then put the sound you want. You have the choice, you have the right to do that. But for us here, you can actually decide to add audio to your reels from here. Now let me show you how you do that. You go over to apps, you click on audio, you search for audio rather. Click on apps, search for audio. If you can check my own, you see that I already have audio there, but I'm doing this procedure because of you. See my own audio here. But if you search audio, this will pop out. You just click on it. Okay, when you click on it, it gives you this option. You have so much. You can either choose music, you can choose happy, audio, pop, and all of these things. I think I would like to do instrumentals. I don't want to any sound. I just want something. Or let me go and search. I like to put this particular one, this adrenaline rush. Let me check it. Okay, it's adrenaline rather, not adrenaline. We have this. Now let us play the audio to see how it sounds like. That's beautiful. Let's check another one. Not bad. Let me check this one. I think I like this one. So once you just search and you see the one that you like, you just drag and drop. You just drag and drop like this. Can you see that? Now you have your audio here. Do you understand? But now look at this audio, this other audio here, is the audio that was playing with this reel initially. Okay, but we don't want it again. So what are we going to do? We'll just go and select it, come over here, and delete. We don't want it again. So you delete track. When you delete the track, what you have right now is the audio that you just imported. Now let's go and check out what it sounds like. Beautiful, beautiful. This is amazing, guys. What do you think? All right, so this has brought us to the end. We are literally done. You can just go over now and download. Okay, just go over here, click on download, and please do not forget to download as separate files. Click on this, because if you don't click on this, it will download as one particular video, but then you want this as reels. Do you understand? You want this to come out as one short clips. All right, so you have to click on this one, then you hit download. Then that is it, guys. You have your reels ready. Please try this out. Put it out on your social media handles and tag me. All right, this is the end for this particular training, this particular lesson. Yes, and on to the next, guys. On to the next. Thank you so much. My name is still Valentina Chukma, and I'm really excited to take you on this journey. Okay. Peace out.
Ja, het is eigenlijk een heel